Welcome, curious adventurers, to a journey into the enigmatic heart of Nevada, USA. Today, we're delving deep into the mysteries surrounding three clandestine locations that have long been rumored to be military installations. These are no ordinary places. They hold secrets shrouded in the shadows of national security. Our first stop takes us to an intriguing structure that resembles a giant QR code. But it's no ordinary code. It's actually a close-quarters facility, designed for urban combat training. As we explore, we'll uncover the hidden world where military personnel hone their skills in the art of close combat, preparing for the unexpected in the heart of the city. The secrets within these walls run deep, and we can only wonder what kind of scenarios they simulate here. Our next destination is shrouded in mystery. It's a ship-like structure surrounded by small craters, leading us to believe it's a target. Could it be a boat simulation target for air shelling? Or is there more to this peculiar place than meets the eye? The answers to these questions are elusive, and we're left to speculate about the military operations that unfold within this enigmatic facility. Our final destination is a site that leaves us with more questions than answers. A peculiar arrangement that seems to be a mock target for planes to train combat runs on. But what lies beneath the surface of this mysterious installation? What kind of training and secrets are concealed here? Stay tuned for our next adventure as we journey deeper into the world of the unknown. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next exploration into the mysterious and the hidden. Until then, keep your eyes on the horizon and your mind open to the secrets of the world.
Subscribe the channel for more Google Earth videos.